Hello everyone, today I'm exploring Hakodate to find some of Japan's most interesting illustrated signs and brochures. Unlike in many countries, Japan often uses cute or funny illustrations not just on signs, but also in pamphlets and guides. Let's see what unique videos we can find today. Yeah, let's go. Hakodate is a historic port city in northern Japan, known for its rich culture, scenic views, and unique atmosphere. It blends traditional charm with modern attractions, offering a memorable experience. Now, let's explore. Look at this. This is the post office. Wow, it's so cute. I think it's Squid. Yeah. Wow, look at this. This bear is so cute. This is the vending machine. He says it's as cold as the North Pole. It's so funny. This is a sign warning about frozen roads and slippery conditions. Wow, this is Pokemon Pikachu. It's so cute. And I don't know this one, but it's like eel or what's this? Happy shopping, Japan. Tax-free shop. This is like human beings. This plaque shows the tsunami height from the 2011 Tōhoku earthquake. The water reached 1.2 meters at 11:35 p.m. on March 11th, even here in Hokkaido. Beware of crow. A crow aims for food. Caution, falling ice and snow. Hey, look at this. This is a drink, Lumonde. It's very popular in chocolate. Okay. Wow, this is Lumonde. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, but I feel cold now, so I thought it was hot, but it's cold. So I feel a little cold. But yeah, it is not bad. This vending machine features Pikachu, but more importantly, it works even during disasters with battery power, providing drinks in a blackout. Wow, she is called Dokodemo-Yuki-chan. She is a pure character of Hokkaido Shinkansen. A vending machine featuring a Hakodate tourist map is something uniquely Japanese, don't you think? This button is for people with disabilities. Pressing it extends the green light duration. In Japan, even construction sites use cute characters. Japan is full of unique characters, truly the land of anime. try spotting them when you visit. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. See you. Goodbye.